Everyone's how-to videos. Got a quick short for you today. I want to show you the most effective and efficient way to store 2 hoses in an outside storage box. The ones they sell in the stores will rot, they don't close correctly. I think this is the best solution, hands down, and it only took about an hour to finish, set up, connect everything. And this is also probably the safest way if you have kids outside and they sometimes, they shouldn't. Take the hoses, they want to drink them or at least play with them and end up inadvertently drinking the water. Now this is a hose box. I have Camco hoses, the flexible ones, 2 50-footers folded in here, and this is awesome. I mean, I think there's nothing better than these hoses combined with them running through the back. See down here, hose 1, hose 2, drill holes, got some more holes in the bottom. I'll show you kind of how this works. I'll take out one, this will be used for a sprinkler. So the holes in the bottom ensures these drain properly. Took some duct tape. Got this piece of plastic on Amazon, I'll send you the link. And this is also cheaper than anything you can buy online. With this box from Suncast, and putting this piece of plastic in to divide the 2 hoses, something of course entirely not necessary but helpful if you have kids that want to fight over hoses, or you need 2 hoses for 2 separate tasks, whether you're gardening, whatever the case may be. This is by far and away the best route, the best method. I have a splitter up here, divide the hoses. Of course, you only get the power of 1, but at the end of the day, you can have full control over them without having your kids, to toy around with the nozzles. Again, kid-friendly setup. Ran this down through here. Have a Camco filter just to be 100% safe. Make sure that things are up to par. So I'll show you quickly how this works. Say I have 2 identical 50-foot hoses. Of course, you can take your time to fold them up, run them through a reel, put them. I used to have one of those like these U-hooks that I ran them through. That didn't work. I said, there's got to be a better way at solving this. So, of course, came to mind, I can take this box, which I have a number of these, kind of for storage of, bubbles or tennis balls, whatever kids like to play with. Cut some holes in the back, because anything and everything I found online were not really what I was looking for. Disappointed, to say the least. And, of course, they were overpriced. They had poor reviews. I don't know why someone hasn't made one of these, but DIY. Look at that, nice and easy. Grab the hose, shove it in here, and that one's on its way. Usually has the adapter on the end. Hose number 2, put it back, close it, and look at that. All said and done, taped in the back, no issues. You can run hose 1, hose 2, however you choose to do it. Good luck. Let me know how you do with this DIY hack for parents or anyone that just wants to store 2 hoses on your deck. A nice, clean, easy sake. Again, how-to videos. Hope you enjoy my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.